Hey everyone, welcome to my very first video of our CSS series. If you are starting your journey into web development or you are serious about how to design a website and how website get started using CSS. In this very you can say series, we will learn everything about CSS. So in today's video, we will learn what is CSS and some little bit examples of that really CSS. So let's get started. First thing is first, we will see actually what is CSS. CSS actually stands for cascading style sheets, and CSS is used to style HTML elements like changing the color, font, size, spacing, layout, and more. By adding the CSS file or some CSS properties, we can say design our web page by which our website looks very cool. Let's do some examples on CSS. Firstly, we will create folder for CSS. Here I'm creating a folder for CSS on desktop. I will name it CSS, and I will open this folder. I will open this very folder in Visual Studio Code. This is my editor, code editor. If you want to use any other code editor, you are free to use that, but I am using this one. This is my favorite code editor. Right now I am using that one. Here I will say index.html. I am creating that very file. Here basic HTML code. Here say CSS examples. Firstly, I will create an H1. Like here says example 1. If I will style this in CSS, there is multiple ways to use CSS, but I will use very basic one. That one is inline style, and another one is internal CSS, and another one is last one is external CSS. But we will use inline CSS. That is very basic. We will use style attribute here for styling a particular tag. For example, I will say color for this. I will say right. Sure. Then if I will want to run this very thing, so I have to go to this very folder. Then I have to double click on this. This is our first CSS example, and if I will increase its size, then I have to add a property here, font size like 40 pixels. You can see the difference. If I will say like 100 pixel, say the difference here. Refresh once again, and then you can see this. Another property I will apply here, font family, sense of. You will see the difference, and refresh this, then another font family. Now if I will style body firstly, then I will use here also style attribute. Okay, here I will say background color like black. I will see the background is black now, and I will say this one here, text align center. see what. So sorry. Align, center replace. This is the box center align. This is our first example. Now I will see one more thing here, and I will create a div here, and there's some dummy text here. Lauren 40 line. You will see, but it is a black color. We have to change the color of this one. Then I will style here, color we can see green, and just refresh it, you can see the text now. And if we increase the font style, font size it, like we can see 20 pixel, you can see the difference. Here it is. We will also font family, change font family. You can see the difference now. So in upcoming videos I will learn everything about CSS. This was just an example how we can write CSS and what we can do with CSS. So in upcoming videos we will do each and everything about CSS. So it's enough for today. Bye.